That's why. True that. All right, so last break of the night, 24-22, Black Diamond 17-18 single box break. So this one was taken from the fresh inner because we didn't have any Black Diamond in store after yesterday's break. So brand new boxes of Black Diamond. I gotta sharpen that because it's not cutting anymore. Exquisite pack. Black Diamond pack. Tick, 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 tick. Alright. Are we gonna get another Jespo thing? No. Number to 199 for the Golden Knights, Vadim Shipachyov.
It was a short print too.
It was a short print, yeah. Short print out of 199 for Vegas. And now the Black Diamond pack.
Not even in AHL anymore.
For real. Sad, eh?
You got a booklet, Jonathan?
Yeah, I got a booklet. So I'm going to start with a base card out of 249 for the Toronto Maple Leafs, Austin Matthews. Next, a rookie team logo jumbos for the Detroit Red Wings, Evgeny Zvetnikov. What do we have next? Championship rings, Pittsburgh Penguins, Brian Rust. Brian Rust for Pittsburgh. Next, jersey out of 149 for Montreal, Carey Price. And our last is our booklet. Number 76 out of 99, Arizona Coyotes, jersey patch autograph, Clayton Keller.
Nice set.
It is a nice set. 76 out of 99 of Clayton Keller. So that was Black Diamond, and that is it for eBay tonight. I've got a Series 2 15-16 live, those triple laps on Facebook. 20 spots, you get 3 teams. I think I've got 1 or 2 spots left. So I'd like to do this one tonight, so go pick some spot. Thanks.